Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2019 Ford F150. So right now the check engine light code is for the ambient temperature sensor. They're all the same code. Let me show you the location of the ambient temperature sensor. So this one's not a Raptor, this one's regular. So it's going to be located under the mirror on the passenger side. But if it's the Raptor model, it's going to be in the front of the grille right here. That's if you have the Raptor, but this one is regular, so it's on the mirror. This is a base model F150. So I checked the mirror. When I look under, there's no ambient temperature sensor. So the customer bought a cheap part and put them in, probably buy from a China part. For the mirror, the cover here, you just pop them out. It's all clips. And then you're gonna take out the connector right here. There's 4 bolts, 2 nut right here, 210, and then there's 2 inside here. And then I need to hold it. It's gonna come off. Part is so cheap. The stud is stuck on the door here. I have to get it out. That's how cheap the part is. Let me show you the difference between the fake part and the original part. So on the cover here, there's no label at all. This is my original one, used. I bought it used, so there's a label right here. And then there's a Ford label right here. It says Ford. And if you look inside here, there's nothing. And then the connector, it has 3 pins. You can see 1, 2, 3. This one has a 5 pin. 3 at the bottom, 2 on top. That's for the ambient temperature sensor. Now you can see the bottom, no sensor at all. The original one, there's a sensor right here. So I'll show you. I'm gonna take out the sensor so you guys can see. This one I bought it used. So I bought this one for 150 for a used one. I don't know how much the brand new one, probably like around close to 300. So this is the ambient temperature sensor right here. There you go. Everything looks good. Just a little bit dirty. Might have to clean it. So I'm just gonna, there you go. Snap in. Now let me show you the Ford logo right there. It says Ford right there. Even the cover has label. This is the China part right here. So don't buy cheap part, okay people? There's a different. That's why it doesn't have the sensor. I got my the original Ford mirror in already. Make sure you guys check the connector here too. Make sure the wire's not broken or damaged. Check the pin inside. Make sure it's not bent or corroded. If it's good, just plug them back. And notice how the original one sits on the square slot, and it's very steady, like very tight on one spot. And the cheaper one, see how flimsy it is? That's how cheap parts are made. And then just put the cover, just go ahead and put it back. Oh, come on. There you go. And then now I'm just gonna check the mirror again and then clear the check engine light. Right now I have the engine running. I'm gonna check the mirror again, so I'm gonna press the mirror there, check the other one. Yep, it's fully turning right, fully turning left. Go down, go up. There you go. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna turn it off, key on. I'm gonna clear the code again. I'm gonna show you guys the code. So pending, there you go. Ambient temp, P0073. Memory, I think the same thing. Yep, ambient temp, pending, right there. These are not current, so don't worry about those. So now I'm gonna clear it. Clear the check engine light. Code clear, exit. Oh, there you go, that's it. I'll turn up, turn it back on. There you go. Light should go away. Yep. So that's it, guys. Just the ambient temperature sensor. So again, don't buy the cheap part just because it's cheap. You're gonna buy it, and then the problem it's gonna give you is the check engine light because there's no ambient temp sensor. So you pay for what you get, guys. So just buy the original, save you headache. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'm out. Peace.